एज वी ऑल नो, क्रिकेट को ओलंपिक्स में शामिल करने की डिबेट्स कई सालों से चल रही है। हमने रिसेंटली देखा दैट क्रिकेट वाज इंक्लूडेड इन द कॉमनवेल्थ एंड द एशियन गेम्स, लेकिन ओलंपिक्स में अभी तक ये मुमकिन नहीं हो पाया है। इसकी सबसे बड़ी वजह है दो सबसे पावरफुल क्रिकेट बोर्ड्स, बीसीसीआई एंड ईसीबी। बीसीसीआई को यह डर है कि अगर क्रिकेट ओलंपिक्स का हिस्सा बन जाता है तो दे माइट हैव टू सैक्रिफाइस देयर मेंबर ऑटोनॉमी। इसका मतलब यह हुआ कि बीसीसीआई, जो एक सेल्फ रेगुलेटरी क्रिकेट बोर्ड है, उन्हें क्रिकेट पर अपना इन्फ्लुएंस आईओसी को कॉम्प्रोमाइज करना पड़ेगा। Another reason for BCCI's lack of interest in the Olympics is a concept called opportunity cost. मतलब जब Olympics organize होते हैं तब it is the same season for bilaterals also. So if cricket becomes a part of the Olympics, BCCI will have to let go of the revenue that they earn from bilateral series. On the other hand, ECB has the exact same problem, but in Test cricket. During the Olympics, it is the same season that they organize their Test matches. So, if cricket becomes a part of the Olympics, the ECB will have to let go of its most profitable format of cricket, Test matches. As we have discussed in our previous video, Test cricket is the most profitable format of cricket for the England Cricket Board, and they have demanded that if cricket becomes a part of the Olympics, they want a compensation of a whopping 160 million US dollars. इसके जवाब में ओलंपिक काउंसिल ऑफ एशिया के प्रेसिडेंट रणधीर सिंह ने यह कंसर्न जताया है कि यह तो सिर्फ 15 दिन की बात है, इससे क्या फर्क पड़ता है। Every single sport in the world organizes their tournaments around the Olympics. सिर्फ एक क्रिकेट की वजह से पूरी ओलंपिक्स को डिले तो नहीं कर सकते। In fact, in 2008, the Olympics Committee reached out to several cricket boards to try and convince them to include cricket into the Olympics. Sydney Morning Herald reported in 2008 that a paper titled Cricket Within the Olympic Program, a golden opportunity for the development of cricket and the Olympic movement, was turned down by the ICC board. Jagmohan Dalmia, who represented BCCI in the ICC, also confirmed this information. उन्होंने ये बताया that ICC rejected this proposal because BCCI was not ready for it. The reason was the same. The cricket boards do not want to share their revenue with the Olympics Committee. Things finally changed in 2024 when USA was declared as the host of the T20 World Cup. The North American continent finally entered the universe of cricket. At that time, the cricket boards realized that if we want to take cricket to the global level, the only platform where they can get that legitimacy is the Olympics. Gradually, ECB और BCCI दोनों का stand soften हुआ. Even बाकी के South Asian countries like Pakistan and Sri Lanka, they also agreed to participate in cricket at the Olympics.